Hi, this is David at stoneyard.com. I want to give you a quick update on the progress of the showroom. We're putting in porcelain floors and we want to make sure the floors are nice and flat. So we're using these spacers, but they also elevate the stone. So I take a piece, I slide it in under, and then we push this in. So now, once this is set, this stone and this stone are perfectly flush with each other. And then I'm gonna have to put a bunch of spacers in. I'll show you in a second. But check this out. We've got part of the floor in, and it's nice and flat level, okay? After the floor is in, we're gonna come back and grout it. But look at that. And so as you look at, maybe there's a quarter or so of the floor in. So we put in these spacers, and then we put in the shims, and now you don't have any lippage. It's perfectly flat. Once we grout it, we'll be done. So, we're maybe 25% of the way done. I'll give you another update when we're, a little bit more done. So thank you. This is David at stoneyard.com.